Multiply 49 by 74 using long multiplication. Start with the ones digit, 4. 4 times 9 is 36. Put 6 in this column and carry 3. 4 times 4 plus the carried 3 is 19. The first partial product is 196. Now use the tens digit, 7. Start one place to the left. 7 times 9 is 63. Put 3 in this column and carry 6. 7 times 4 plus the carried 6 is 34. The second partial product is 3430. Now add the partial products, working from right to left. In the ones column, 6 plus 0 is 6. In the tens column, 9 plus 3 is 12. Put 2 in this column and carry 1. In the hundreds column, 1 plus 4 plus the carried 1 is 6. In the thousands column, bring down 3. The whole negative number product is 3626. So 49 times 74 is 3626.